Let's make the custom shapes. It's a clone shape. We will try to make the changes there. Let's make it again. We will use the shapes there. Again make the changes. We have to try it. Make again that paints. Keep editing there. Using the pattern stem to cover up that area, and here is the history brush tool to increase it.